In 2026, it's time for me to get serious about what I'm eating. Doing a quick grocery haul in the style of Savannah Mills. Shout out to content creator Savannah Mills. Because during a work week, sometimes you just don't have time to put everything out all nice and neat on the counter. And this is just a small grocery haul. So here we go. I've got my favorite Quest protein chips with 19 grams of protein. You get 4 bags, and I picked that up as part of my Walmart curbside pickup, along with some saltine crackers and some 100% no sugar added cranberry juice. I picked up some bananas from Aldi's. One that is ripe and the other 3 are not ripe. And I picked them up because they are little bananas. So even with these little bananas, a serving of banana is really only half of a banana because it's just all sugar. Picked up a seedless cucumber, an English cucumber, and it's firm, how I like them. So this is the Aldi's. Picked up some broccoli crowns for stir fry. And they had lemons on sale, so I picked up some lemons for lemon water. And I also picked up from Aldi a gallon of vinegar. Okay. In my freezer safe bag, I have just some shredded lettuce. Oops. I have just some shredded lettuce for taco salad. Same thing, shredded carrots for taco salad and stir fry. Everything's nice and cold. I've been needing some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Highly recommend it to elevate whatever you're cooking. My doctor told me to add electrolytes to most of my water at this point moving forward. Apparently, I need the potassium and all of the other nutrients. So I picked up more of that. I have some small, raw, peeled, deveined tail off. Normally I get the larger sized shrimp, but these were $6 and change, almost $7. And the last time I did stir fry, I kind of liked it with this smaller shrimp in it. So, you know, we're in the season of Lent, so no meat. But seafood is not considered meat. I need to do a video on that. And I picked up some whole milk Greek yogurt from Better Goods. Now, drop down in the comments. Do you like the Better Goods brands? They are substantially cheaper than other things, and I've been very pleased. Checking the dates right quick on my Chobani mixed berry. March the 17th, so we're good on that. And use the mixed berry. It's really delicious. Try that flavor if you haven't. It's one of my favorites. And I picked up 2 bags of the riced cauliflower, the Green Giant frozen riced cauliflower. And looks like they changed the package, but still the same great rice cauliflower. 5 grams of carbs per serving, and I'm substituting this in lieu of rice when I do my stir fry. shrimp fried rice and stir fry. I don't know why I keep saying stir fry. So anyway, you know what I'm saying. So as I was putting things away, I realized that I did not share with you the green beans, fresh green beans, and the fresh green onions I picked up at. If you care to, please drop in the comments. Let me know what you're eating as far as menus for the week, especially for Lent. So I'm looking for anything that is meatless or just seafood. I'm actually doing chicken and seafood, but really trying to lean into the seafood for the season of Lent. And so let me know what you're eating on. Give me some fresh menu ideas and let me know what you think of my small haul, grocery haul, that is. Yeah, it's that time again, we shine again. From Memphis to the Northwest wind. It's love, it's life, it's every day. You can't decay all day. Morning light, coffee in hand. Making moves with a master plan. Simple things make the spirit stay. We find our joy in the everyday. Keep it real, it's the only way. For the life I know we make. From middle class to dreams at play. We glow up in our own lane. We live it, we vibe. Good food, good love, we thrive. Every gem she drops, we find it. Our way, candy cane all day, yeah, yeah. Candy cane all day. She got that Southern Honda BMW flow. Ain't no stopping when the light don't show. Every smile got a story to say. She's building peace in her own way. Love the journey, not the race. This is what they say you should do if you're trying to neutralize any odors. If you're trying to neutralize, and I said, oh, that's exactly what I'm trying to do, is neutralize odors. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to neutralize any lingering, and these are some onions, a little bad onion. So I'm going to put that in there. And this little onion here, she about dried up. We're going to use her too. But I did pick up a gallon of white vinegar at Aldi's. I believe I got this at Aldi's. I believe I did. So we're just gonna fill, and you can put this in a little pot on the back of the stove. But you know, y'all, I think I'm a little anxious after the fire with even leaving stuff on the stove unattended. You know how we used to turn a little pot down on low. I think I'm still just a little nervous about that. So I feel much better just using, I'm put that on high. So I'm filling this with vinegar, and this is, we're doing an odor neutralizing. But just to make me feel better, right? You know how you might, my child is always doing that. Halfway burning stuff, and if you ever have like some, telling on myself now, if you ever have some microwave popcorn and you burn it up, and you know how that can linger in the house for days. If you're frying some fish, we're in the season of Lent, so if you're frying fish or something like that, yeah, if you need to neutralize odors. Now we're trying this for the first time now, so I'm gonna roll these bad boys. This is all old, dried up. Get the juices flowing out of it. Am I saying it wrong? Y'all cracking up at me? I don't care. Let's just pour some lemon juice. This is vinegar. Fill my little mini crock with vinegar, and you could actually do this on the stove top. So I filled it with just white vinegar. I'm trying to neutralize odors in the house. Any lingering odors. It just makes me feel better because I had that fire. But I think we've gotten the bulk of that out. thanks to my Shark air purifier, which I already had. And y'all, the firemen, once they eliminated any threat of fire in my home, and thanks to the sheriff's department too, for quick thinking. At least one of them. I'll tell y'all the backstory on that. Oh, you know what? I think I got a grapefruit that has been in there for a long time. So I'm just squeezing us some lemons off in here. We'll save this other one, and we'll start a fresh pot. How about that? I don't know if this is still edible or not. This is that pink grapefruit. Let's see. Let's cut her in half. What y'all think? Pink grapefruit. I'm just gonna cut her up and put it in the... This is not water in here. I have vinegar in here. We're doing the neutralizing. Neutralize. I don't know what he was cooking. He burnt something. I think he said sausage. I don't know. Who knows what these kids be doing while I'm sleeping. I only had one, y'all. I'm speaking in general. And he's a young man. He told me to stop calling him the boy. You don't want me to use your name. You don't want me to... honey. Don't they got a lot? Don't they got a lot? A lot of demands. Thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for checking in. Is that problematic for y'all? Y'all tell me. So I've got my simmer pot on high, and I do have some whole cloves, so we can put them down in there. They give a good... Because I use whole cloves when I do simmer pots. But I'm substituted vinegar, white vinegar for the water here, because we're making an odor neutralizing. And I don't have any cinnamon sticks, but I do have some ground cinnamon, so we're going to go with that. But the flu and strep are trying to get us too. So, baby, 365 days a year, Candy K, when I fix a little dishwater, I'm going to put a drop of bleach in there. And that's all you need is a drop. Some people talking about a cat full and everything. Well, you can use that too, but baby, bleach and everything else has gone sky high. Hey there, Sandra. Welcome in, friends. Yeah, you need a little drop of bleach in that dishwater. And you're only doing one sink full of dishes, so you just need one drop or two of a little bleach water. You don't even need a whole cap full or even a half a cap full. You got to stretch everything. But what we do need is some good hot water, a little Dawn dish soap. I don't know if I showed y'all. So we going to use a drop or two of bleach. Dawn dish soap. I like these easy squeeze that sit up like this. I love that. Then we won't have to worry about the caps and everything. And then, y'all, my secret weapon, when I have baked on, That Dawn Power Wash. I just wanted to say, hey y'all, hey. If you're not a fan of bleach, that's fine too. This is America. This is a democracy. You have the right to have your own opinion. Just don't, tell us what you use then, and make sure your family is safe and that we kill a whole bunch of germs. I look at some people. Sometimes I believe that's why they stay sick all the time. Is because they need to activate a little bleach in that house. Do you hear me? I'm just saying. I don't tell people that, but in my mind, I'm thinking, you're so busy trying to use all this stuff when a little bleach will work wonders. Thanks for joining me. This is Kendi K all day. I'm a new content creator in these YouTube streets, so if you like the vibe, please subscribe. I'm on the road to 5,000 subscribers, but I need your help to get me there. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next vlog.